All right. So first up, in this question, it says to subtract 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 from 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. So subtracting, the mathematical operation would look like minus so we are subtracting this bunch from this bunch. Okay, then how do we do this? So first, take everything out of the brackets. 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. And we have a negative sign in front of this set of brackets. So we want to change the sign of each term in the brackets. So first, negative 2x squared. The negative and negative here cancel. So plus 3x and minus 4. All right, and let's group the like terms. I have a 3x squared and a negative 2x squared. So together that would be x squared. And I have a 4x and a 3x plus 7x. And I have a negative 5 and a negative 4. So together that would be minus 9. All right, so that's the answer for A. And for B, I want to subtract the other way. Subtract 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 from 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. So this would look like 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. So we're subtracting this bunch from this bunch. Okay, and we take everything out of the brackets. So 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. And let's put a negative sign in front of all the terms inside this set of brackets. So minus 3x squared minus 4x, and the negative and negative cancel, so plus 5. And let's group the like terms. I have a 2x squared and a negative 3x squared. Together that would be minus x squared. I have a negative 3x and a negative 4x. So together that would be negative 7x. And I have a plus 4 and a plus 5. So together, plus 9. And that's the answer for B. All right, and let's look at our answers for A and B. X squared plus 7x minus 9 and negative x squared minus 7x plus 9. And we notice that they are the opposite sign of each other, meaning the answer for A is equal to minus the answer for B. So if we switch the order of subtraction, we would get the opposite sign, the negative of the answer of the original subtraction. So let's write that. If the order of the subtraction is switched, the answer of the subtraction is the negative of the answer of the original subtraction.